Example 1.21. Find the largest possible domain. What is the largest possible domain? Is nothing but x. I need to find the value of x. For the real valued function f defined by f of x is equal to x square minus pi x plus x in the square root. So f of x is equal to square root of x square minus pi x plus 6. So I need to find, since it is a quadratic equation, I can find roots. What are the roots is going to be? 6 minus pi x 2 3 both are minus into minus plus 2 3 are 6 minus 2 minus 3 is minus pi. So f of x I can write as square root of x minus 2 into x minus 3. Consider I am going to equate to 0 these two values, x minus 2 x minus 3 equals 0, equate to 0. So x minus 2 equal to 0 comma x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 2 comma x is equal to 3. These two values are called critical point. These two values is called critical point. Now I am going to map in the real line, minus infinity and plus infinity. Here 2 is present, here 3 is present. So this is f of x value. First I am going to take subdivision 1, that is case 1. I take case 1. What is case 1 here? Minus infinity I am going to write in the what bracket is called open interval. 2 I am going to write in 2 I can write as closed interval, but now I am going to write in open only. Both I am going to write in open. Next I will do, I am going to take the points minus infinity comma 2. So f of x is equal to, what is f of x? Square root of x minus 2 into x minus 3. I can take any values between minus infinity to, in between minus infinity comma 2 I can take 0 will be present between minus infinity comma 2. So what is the answer is going to be? 0 minus 2 is minus 2, 0 minus 3 is minus 3, square root of 6 which is positive. Therefore f of x is equal to square root of 6 is possible value. So this is possibilities. Next, case 2. What is case 2? I am going to take values between 2 and 3. 2 comma 3. I am going to take values between 2 and 3. Therefore f of x I am going to apply value 2.5. I am going to apply value 2.5 between values. So 2.5 minus 2.5, listen, x is 2.5. First I will put the values x minus 2 and x minus 3, then I will apply. So apply 2.5 here. 2.5 minus 2, next 2.5 minus 3. See, listen, this 2.5 minus 2 will becomes positive. I don't need value. I don't need any values. I want to know whether positive or negative. 2.5 minus 3 is negative. 2.5 minus 3 I get negative value. So positive into negative is nothing but negative, which is impossible. Not possible. In square root negative should not come. So it is not possible. So this is possible. See here, I want to make it dark. This is not possible. Next, case 3. What is case 3 here? 3 2. I am going to take the value called 4. Therefore, how I can take 3 comma infinity? Both are closed interval. F of x is equal to square root of x minus 2 into x minus 3. Apply here. I am going to take 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So square root of 2. This is possible value. So this is possible. I have taken all the values except 2 and 3. I have not taken, you see, 2 before values, 2 after value, 3 before value, 3 after value. Since I not taken case 4, I can take x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Nice, listen here. If I going to put if x is equal to 2, then f of 2 equals square root of 0. See how I can take 2 minus 2 is not 0. 0 and anything 0. Square root of 0 is nothing but 0. This is possible value. If x is equal to 3, f of 3 is also 3 minus 3 is 0. It's also square root of 0. This is also possible value. Both are possible values. So I can take this 2 also. I can take this 3 also. But this one alone is not possible. So minus infinity comma 2 I can take as closed interval. Next 3 comma infinity, 3 comma, these are possible values. 3 comma infinity should be taken in the this is closed interval, this is open interval. You need put union. What is my union? All. So is the domain.